In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft list in SharePoint. Whether you're organizing a project, managing tasks, or simply structuring information, creating a Microsoft list can streamline your workflow. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Microsoft's search page. Type in Microsoft SharePoint and hit Enter. Once you find the official Microsoft SharePoint link, click on it to access the homepage. If you're already part of the Microsoft ecosystem, this will feel familiar. Next, you'll want to sign in. Look for the Sign In option, typically in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in, saving you a bit of time. However, if you're not signed in, simply enter your email address followed by your password to access your account. Once you've signed in, it's time to head over to your SharePoint site. You can do this by opening the specific Microsoft 365 site you wish to use in your browser. This could be a team site, a collaboration space, or any other SharePoint environment you frequently work in. Now, direct your attention to the command bar at the top of the page. You'll see an option labeled New. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from here, choose List. This selection will initiate the process of creating a new list, a versatile tool for organizing data in SharePoint. Moving on to the creation method, you have a few options. If you prefer starting from scratch, opt for From Blank. This begins with a basic title column, allowing you to customize your list as you see fit. Alternatively, if you already have an existing list that you want to replicate, you can choose From an Existing List. This is ideal for maintaining consistency across multiple projects. You can also import data directly from an Excel or CSV file. This feature is perfect when you already have data compiled and want to transfer it seamlessly into a SharePoint list. Additionally, there are several templates available, such as an issue tracker or event itinerary, which can save time and provide a structured starting point. Once you've decided on your creation method, it's time to name your list. Select the field provided, type in a name that aptly describes the list's purpose, and hit Create. With your list now in place, let's add columns for additional information. Click the plus or the plus add column button on the list's command bar, then select the column type that suits your list's needs, whether it's text, date, person, or choice. Finally, enter a title for your new column. Feel free to add more columns to capture all necessary details specific to your project or workflow. And there you have it. A fully customized Microsoft list in SharePoint, ready to facilitate your data management needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your SharePoint experience.